How to fix 4ASCII error in Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft error 4VT9F, which usually appears with the message, "Something went wrong." Let's get started. Go to your Start menu and search for Services. Click to open the Services app. In the Services window, scroll down to the letter M. Look for Microsoft Account Sign In Assistant. Double-click on Microsoft Account Sign In Assistant. Under Startup Type, change it from Manual to Automatic. If the service status is Stock, click Start. Then click Apply and OK to save changes. Now right-click on the Microsoft Account Sign In Assistant service. Select Restart and wait for it to finish. Once restarted, double-check to make sure it's still set to Automatic and that it's running. If the error still appears, go ahead and restart your computer. Then try launching the app or service again. And that's it. This simple fix should resolve the error 4VT9F on your Microsoft account. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.